Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In the next tutorial, I'll show you a website that has already aided people all around the world and is profitable on a regular basis. I'll show you how to generate money without putting in a lot of time or effort. But bear in mind that this won't make you a millionaire, and it's not a long-term income source. Let's get this party started and see what you come up with. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The first website I'll show you is TemplateMonster.com. TemplateMonster.com is a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell digital assets such as WordPress themes, Shopify themes, HTML or website templates, and other digital assets. This will not set you back any money. It's possible to suppose that the website TemplateMonster.com has 1.3 million monthly visits, which is a considerable number of people. It's a highly used and well-known website. Have you ever thought about why this is so? For one thing, it does not require you to purchase anything from TemplateMonster. Instead, we will have to work on here. And this is primarily because there is 100% free software that I will share with you later that will specifically do everything for you in a specific type of service that is frequently requested on this site. And because the software will do everything for you, you don't need the talents and you won't get paid on the site like this if you don't have any design skills. But thanks to the tool, I'll show you in a few minutes how you can get paid even if you don't have the skills or expertise with design. Doesn't it sound incredible? You also have nothing to worry about because the website is available all over the world, making it available to everybody. Allow me to show you how you can profit from this website. You'll be selling resume templates, and I'd want to show you some instances of successful resume writers. Go to the upper left corner and click on All Items. Then hover your mouse over Visuals, and then click on Resume Templates to the right to view the figures for yourself. That will take you to this page where you can see that the individual I found charges at least $15 and has sold over 400 times. We're talking about a total profit of $6,000, as you can see near the top of this page, and this is far from the only positive case. This individual is asking $20 for resume templates and has sold over 600. Implying a profit of at least $12,000 from the sale of those resume templates, and these are only two of many examples. You may see for yourself how much money you can make by selling these templates. You not only increased your income potential, but you also decrease the amount of labor required. Let's get to the point now that you know there have been a lot of people who have leveraged a lot of money on this platform, and they've done it from all over the world. Once you arrive at this website, click Start Selling in the upper right corner. On the following screen, select Author because we won't be paying anyone. Then either enter your email address and password in these two sections over here, or click this box indicating that you agree to their conditions. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. Finally, you can either make an account below or sign up using your Facebook or Google account, which is significantly faster and more convenient. If you pick the first option, Go into your Gmail account and locate and open a message from TemplateMonster that looks like this. Then click the confirm email link below to finish the process and log in with your brand new account. They'll ask you to add information to your public profile when you log in. And if you click on the public profile tab, you'll notice that you'll have to provide a public name, a photo of yourself, and select your country of origin. And that's pretty much it. By the way, as previously stated, this works globally. To get started, first click on the products, then create a new product here. Then choose the category in question, which for us is resume templates, and then click next. And now that you've done that, allow me to show you the platform where you can have those resumes written for you so that you can get big income. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Here's the website I mentioned at the beginning of the video, create.vista.com. It's a place where you can design various things, such as a wonderful Instagram post utilizing the thousands of templates available. This site has to offer Facebook posts, Instagram stories, and so on. But more importantly for us, you can design resumes. The first thing you'll want to do when you get on this site is sign up, which you can do now by clicking on sign up in the upper right corner, filling out some information, and that's it. After you've logged in, all you have to do now is type a resume in this box and hit enter. And this site will offer you thousands of resume templates that you can charge $15 or $25 for each. And they'll all be done for you virtually, no work on your part. So you don't need any talents in any case. All you have to do now is pick one of these templates, tweak it to make it look as good as possible, and then save it to your computer by clicking the download button below. Finally, simply return to the TemplateMonster and publish the resume template, charging your fee, and repeat the procedure. You may do this for as many templates as you want to earn much money as you want. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.